everybody. This whole program has been a grand success, and the last 2 days it was quite enlightening for the delegates. A lot of people were involved in executing this program. So we'd like to thank Alert India, who was active partner in execution of the whole sessions. And apart from this, there is a whole set of people who worked since the past maybe 15-20 days to make this a grand success. So I would like to like a couple of departments which have been divided. For the food and accommodation, I would like to thank NIPD, the National Institute, which is there in Goenpalli. They gave us the accommodation, free accommodation for almost 60 delegates. It's a wonderful accommodation with food and all. Hope the delegates enjoyed the presence over there. To execute this program, we divided into various departments, and food and accommodation was headed by Gopiji, Satishji, Parshuramji. Gopiji, please come here. Gopiji, Satishji. Parshuramji is not here. Couple of them are not here, but I would like to state their name because we need to thank them. Yeah. Rameshji is there in the other department. And for pickup and drops, it's Chennakesharji, Marutiji, Saiji, Ratnanji, and the whole set of his friends. Almost 30 cars of food to pick up people from the airport and the railway stations. Chennakesharji, please come on to the guys, please. So it was a lot of hard work on behalf of Chennakesharji and his team. Almost 30 cars, 30 of his friends. They gave their time there in 24 hours, even in midnight at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. they picked up people. And for another department was the reception and lunch, and this was headed by Srikanji. Right now I don't think he's here. Stage management by Mahatiji, Manusmitaji, Jainaji, and Arvindji. Arvindji is also not here. I thank Manusmitaji for handling for doing an excellent anchoring. Maltiji also, she is not present today. Projector and audio and video was managed by Varunji and Satishji. Thanks again. The reception at the NIPD was handled by P. Narasimha. He is not here right now. Balaji, Mahatiji again, they are not here. And other people who are the vendors who work for the bags, printing material, Naran, Pavanji, Sudhindriji, they are not here. Resource coordination at Treen Hotel, like we had to book hotel accommodation for the resource persons at Jubilee Treen Hotel. This was handled by Sri Kumar, our volunteer who worked. Right now he is not here. And continuous support of Narasimha Rao ji, the organizing secretary of this international conference. He has been a great help. And the manager at High-Techs, Natrajji, and expense accounting all done by Sachinji. I think he left, he is not here. And all this under the support and guidance of Vedaji and Dagaji. I thank them. It has been an excellent teamwork. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.